everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the voice navigation not working in Google Maps. So the first thing we want to do is simply just go to Google Maps, and if it was working before, we can just go to our profile icon. Maybe something got reset in here. Just go to settings real quick, scroll on down to navigation. Here's navigation. Just make sure this is unmuted on the top for mute state, then we can make it louder. Then these options are turned on, play over voice, etc. So that all looks good. So if that doesn't fix it, try closing every application on your phone. So I have 3-button navigation turned on. Maybe something else is using your voice, or it's playing through something else because you have a different application open. Just close all. So I can just go here, close all. Or I think you might have to swipe up, and there might be an option where you hold it, close everything. Then also, let's go to Bluetooth and just do a quick restart of Bluetooth. And then turn this back on. And then go to done. Otherwise, just restart your phone. That'll probably restart everything too. Then let's go to apps. Let's go to settings, go to apps, scroll on down. And here's apps. And then we can just simply go to maps. Find it. So let's go to maps right here. Choose this, going down to where it says storage, clear the data, and clear the cache right here. Then we can probably just force stop it too, and then open up the application again. If your voice isn't working in here for some reason when you're trying to talk to it, just go into here, permissions, and you can allow some permissions like your microphone. You can allow this every time. And then allow your location if you want to have this on. I think this should ask you, but otherwise it's just going to work. And now you can just go back to the application and try it out and open it up. And just see if this gets it to work now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.